Today I'm testing out the new GoPro Hero 8 Black with its digital lenses, or field of views, along with the available Hypersmooth options to see how they perform with regards to stabilization and also compare them against each other. I'll be doing these tests by running along with a 3-way selfie stick. I'm shooting in 4K 4x3 wide, Hypersmooth off. I'm shooting in 4K 4x3 wide, Hypersmooth on. I'm shooting in 4K 4x3 linear, Hypersmooth off. I'm shooting in 4K 4x3 linear, Hypersmooth on. I'm shooting in 4K Superview, Hypersmooth off. I'm shooting in 4K Superview, Hypersmooth on. I'm shooting in 4K wide, Hypersmooth off. I'm shooting in 4K wide, Hypersmooth on. I'm shooting in 4K wide, Hypersmooth high. I'm shooting in 4K wide, Hypersmooth boost. I'm shooting in 4K linear, Hypersmooth off. I'm shooting in 4K linear, Hypersmooth on. I'm shooting in 4K linear, Hypersmooth high. I'm shooting in 4K linear, Hypersmooth boost. So, from the perspective of field of view and stabilization, which of those modes look the best to you? I'd be interested to hear your thoughts, so write a comment below. Personally, having looked at these clips several times over now, 2 modes stood out to me, and that is 4K 16:9 wide, Hypersmooth high, and 4K 16:9 linear, Hypersmooth high. Both of those modes have really good field of view and excellent stabilization, and I can definitely see myself using both of those modes in the future for my own video projects. Now, Hypersmooth boost, you could definitely see that works very well. The stabilization is awesome with those modes, but there is that trade-off. You are getting a much greater crop on the sensor, and so you're getting less field of view overall. I can see though that there will be some situations where that would be a good option, where maybe Hypersmooth on isn't quite giving you the level of stabilization that you want, and so enabling boost will get you there, but you're just going to lose a bit of image data on the top, bottom and the sides.